guys, welcome back to the channel. We're going to look at my oldest Hornby catalogue I still have from 1993. What artwork. Okay, it's my double-tended Scotsman, and I have, imagine 31 years later, actually getting it. Never got that set. Never got that Scotsman set, but I've pretty much done most of that. Look how different the boxes looked. You actually saw the logo and the coaches. I believe I have that clockwork train. BR Green Mallard. It's pretty similar to the little LMS shunter I've got there. Silver Jubilee, Coronation. I had this set. That was one of my sets I had back then, because I've still got the pannier. Still got that pannier tank. Royal Mail. Now we've got the logos. Great Shaky Cam. Silver Link, Golden Eagle. She's fallen off a bit. Oh, it's an ancient document, this is. Smoky Joe's been around for years. That's the earlier version. There we go, there's the Scotsman's. There's my original Scotsman, which is now combined with a later Scotsman. I need to get the one with smoke deflectors. That's the next one. Find one with smoke deflectors. And there's the twin tender one. As seen. There's the box. There's the logo. Oh, and there's my smoke generator one. Yeah, I've got a thing for Scotsman, because it was all I ever wanted back in the day. Here's a rare tank. I only ever released it once. I hate them when they're landscape, because they're awkward. Oh, diesels. We won't worry with diesels. Or do we worry with diesels? Not really into diesels. Is a Gronk. I had that back in the day, but I sold it all when means, must and life changed, and when model trains are considered geeky. If you look, there's about 25-year-old sellotape to hold it together. Sorry about the shaky cam, guys, but hey ho, I don't have anything else, because, oh look, there's some more sellotape holding the catalogue together. And some more. Oh, power systems. I remember having that one with the Great Western set. Some things have never changed, but this is when it was all still steel track. It was. Some things still the same now, but fish plates and track pins. Scenics, which I need to get to do all this lot. Track extensions. That was once a dream a long time ago, but they even had a ballast. Station buildings, which are ironically still the same today, 31 years later. now, on to the other old Thomas' stuff. And is it in here? No, I had the version with Annie and Clarabelle. I had all the trucks as well. But I had that Thomas way back in. It was more than that style box actually, but not the clockwork version. It was the electric version. And the last page, I think they've stuck postcards on there. Yeah, like there's Green Arrow from when I saw it in the Truro and Scotsman. So yeah, that's a look back at the old 1993 catalogue, which I still have. I used to have the 92 one and the 94 one, but I don't know where they went. I probably got rid of them for some reason. Probably kept this one because this one was Scotsman. I've always like A1 and A3 Pacifics. I don't know if it's that obvious. And the old VHS over there now. So yeah, remember to like the video, subscribe for more model railway stuff. We're probably going to do Gordon soon. So, well, hopefully I might get a Hornby Gordon and compare the two. So yeah, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye for now.